So after a big break, we're back. Yeah, it's been quite some time. I think it's 1 week since I've live traded and I'm back. And luckily, we have not lost the account yet, although I have had a roller coaster ride, which I explained in the last trading session. Still good. We're still going with it. And I think we can be, you know, we can still be disciplined and continue the way we are trading if we just focus on what are the things that I should be doing instead of dreaming about, making a lot of money. So right now I'm in a trade, as you can see on the charts. I'm in $150 profit. So this was taken based on this liquidity sweep below and the reaction after the sweep. So it's purely based on our setup. I'm targeting this high because it's a really good uptrend here. So I'm expecting price to actually shoot up higher than this. But since there has been some weakness since the last few hours, I'm not risking it. I'll just target this area, 2.21 risk reward. So we'll just look for that. Let's see how it plays out. Right now, our account balance is sitting at 49,706, 49,875, considering this unrealized profit, although that's not a valid way to, calculate your equity. So I'll say 49.7, which is pretty good. But I have to push above. I have to push above and uh, turn it green, which I'm trying to. Patience is the one thing that's been missing since quite some time. So getting back on track. Let's see how this trade goes. So if you see, the rationale of this trade is quite simple. Let me just adjust this first. Yeah, the rationale of this trade is quite simple. So there was a sweep of this particular low. If you see the green colored line that I've drawn here, so that was the previous low on the 15-minute chart, and it took out that low here, and I looked at how price reacted there, and it was a clear bullish momentum on the 3 minutes. You could see that there was this volume imbalance also. So I entered the trade based on that move from here. Now the expectation is for price to tap this area. We'll wait and see if that happens. If this candle closes very strongly, I'm even willing to move the target a bit higher up and trial this trade because it could even go much higher. So let's see how price reacts and how this candle is formed. We will act accordingly. If this one candle is going to reach the target, then I let it reach it. I'm not going to trade because that's going to be very impulsive, that move. So I do not want to risk there. Let's see. But I don't think that's going to happen because there is a small liquidity area here. So I think price will react to that area and maybe slow down a little. But this impulse move here is actually promising. 2 minutes more for the 15 minutes candle to close. Let's see how it closes. That is very important for us. So now just 1 minute more for the candle to close. Okay, there is some weakness. Could be a retracement, but I would like that to be not that deep before the candle close. So I hope it sustains and holds that area. Okay, candle has closed. We have a new 15 minutes candle now, and I think it's a pretty decent bullish candle. So we can continue with the trade, and I might actually trial my SL after it breaks out of that current high that it made on the previous minute 15 minute candle. I'm thinking about it, not concluded on whether to do it or not. Let's see how price reacts now. There's huge indecision here at this point. Price is not moving at all. Yeah, the bearishness is not that strong, so I'm pretty confident on this. If it breaks this high, I think I'll trial the SL right here to this low. But it's unlikely that it'll immediately break it before taking out this low because this move is kind of a CISD, although not purely CISD. So I think it will show the strength of that downward push a little bit more. Yes, there you go. Guys, give me a moment. I'll be back. Yeah, I think the push is quite strong. It looks like a reversal at this point. So, not feeling that confident. Versus, I'm not really confident about that it'll continue to push up. It might actually come down, but since I've taken the trade and there was impulse move, I'm gonna continue with it and just take the SL instead of using my discretion here. The main problem is that this is a range, and this range is like crazy congested. That's the biggest problem. Market London will open in 9 minutes, by the way. These days, London Open doesn't have much impact. I don't know why though. Okay, the push is pretty big. This was just a paper trade that I marked on YM. If there was enough liquidity to the upside, we should have seen an immediate reversal at these areas, but it's not happening. So I am quite doubtful if it's gonna hit our target from here. There's no quick reversal or an impulse to the upside, so quite concerning. So if we take the SL here, that will be around 250 odd USD loss, but I think that's well within our range and we can take it. So no problems there. But let's see what happens. Let's see how the market reacts. We just wait and watch how it plays out. That's it. Okay, market is gonna open in 4 minutes though. No, there's no strength. Where is the strength gonna come from? Is it gonna be from this area? This is a volume imbalance. It's a pretty decent area for strength to appear to the upside, or it's gonna hit our SL. One of these things is definitely gonna happen, and we just have to see what's the one that's gonna happen. No, that's not a good sign. When it's trying to push up and if it's coming down, okay, that's what we want to see. That's the impulse move that we want to see. Now I think we can safely trial the SL here, and if it's coming and hitting it, I think it's pretty much a trade that's not gonna work. So if you're trialing it here, it should be okay. Still not enough. 1 minute 30 seconds for the market to open. But during this London session, I don't expect anything to happen, to be honest. It has been dry for the past few months, so let's see. 20 more seconds for the market to open. Yeah, now I think I'll trial here. Now if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna trial to break even. If it doesn't work out from here, I don't think the trade's gonna work. So I'll just trial here. Okay, price is still not showing momentum. Market is opened. That's a bad sign for us. So not a strong sign. Price is not showing upside potential. So maybe it's good that we trial higher and just take the whatever money that we're getting. That's also an option. I'm considering that. Let me see there because the market is open now. It's showing the real motive of price to travel. So at the moment, it's not showing strength. Otherwise, it would have taken out this area. So it's just playing around that area. I'm going to see a good push. Yeah, I think I'm willing to trial it pretty quite high. I'll trial it here. No problems for me. Yeah. So we're out. I think that's a small profit for us. $25, yes. 31 $31 profit. No problem. Oh, wait. Oh, I think we're not fully filled yet. Okay. We still have five quantities with us. Okay. We're fully filled. $44, $50 profit. That's pretty good. Still going. Oh, we still have some money. Still have some two quantities left. Let's see how that plays out. Ooh, what was that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. My God. Okay, that's a good push. I'm gonna trial myself. Target, definitely. And as this one also will trial. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, it's just two quantities, but we'll see what happens. That's a good sign. That seems like there's gonna be some heavy push, but you never know. So what we'll do with this is, since it's anyway profit for us, we'll just keep it here at this low, and then assume that it's gonna take out the next higher time frame liquidity, which is gonna be, let me check. Oh, it's gonna be pretty high up. So let's see, let's target the next, because this is just two quantities, right? So why not just risk it for the biscuit? We'll target the next higher time frame liquidity. Now, some of us would be wishing like if I had the whole 15, quantity, it would have been nice. Yes, of course, it would have been the profit would have been around like $600. But the thing is, yeah, it was very critical for us to try because this move might have happened to the downside as well, and it would have been an SL. So it's very important to prioritize risk sometimes, right? But yeah, that's the cost of it. When you prioritize risks, you lose the reward sometimes. Nice push. So we'll keep it at break even, and then I think I will end the stream. Let's see. Okay, it's already at break even. So yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. I think even if it's gonna hit our target, it's gonna take some time. So I'll just keep it like this, and then we'll see what happens. We will see. It's a 12.5 risk reward trade. Right now, it's even risk free, so it's higher than that. So let's see how it plays out. How's MIM looking? All right, then I think that's it for the day. Let's see. I'll update you tomorrow on the stream how the trade has played out. So it was nice trade for today. Thank you.